Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to create this premium editable text effect in Adobe Photoshop step by step. So without any further ado, let's jump into the Photoshop. Choose a file size as you need, unlock the background layer, then fill it light gray color. Go to the filter and select convert for a smart filter. Again filter, inside noise, click add noise. Select Gaussian. I'm keeping noise amount 5 and hit OK. Name the layer background. Then select text tool and type your text. Select a thick font. I am using Gilroy heavy font. Select the first word, fill dark gray color. Then select the second word and fill light gray color. Then enlarge the text as needed and center align the text. Then right click on the text, select convert to a smart object. Press Ctrl J twice, turn off the both text layer below. Select the text layer above and press Ctrl G to group it. Name this group Top Effect. Select the text layer and press Ctrl J to duplicate it. Set the fill of the duplicate layer to 0. Then double click on the right side of the layer. Here check on inner glow. Here select linear burn in blend mode. Set the opacity to 35. Here select a gray color something like that. Click on the gradient and select a gray color in the left gradient point. Here check on fill. Set the choke value to 25, size value to 15 and keep the rest of the option as they are on the screen and hit OK. Then press Ctrl J again to duplicate the layer. Double click on the right side of the layer, uncheck inner glow and check on bevel and emboss. Select inner bevel in the style, then set the size value to 5, angle value to 90. In contour, select this one. Select linear dodge in the highlight mode, set the opacity value to 50. Select linear burn in shadow mode and set the opacity value to 20. Keep the rest of the option as they are on the screen, then check on contour. In contour, select this one and drag the range slider all the way to the right and hit OK. Press Ctrl J again, then double click on the right side of the layer, click on bevel and emboss, set the angle value to 180. In close contour, select this one. Select color dodge in highlight mode and set the opacity value to 60. And set the shadow mode opacity to 0 and hit OK. Now turn on this text layer and select it. Press Ctrl G to group and name the group 3D. Select the text and press Ctrl J to duplicate. Then press Ctrl G to group and name the group 1. Then select this text layer, press Ctrl G to group and name it 2. Turn off the group for now. Select group 1 text layer. Hold shift and press down arrow key on the keyboard and single click on the up arrow key to up the text 1 pixel. Then double click on the right side of the text layer, click on bevel and emboss. Here, set the size value to 2, angle value to -45. In gloss contour, select this one. Set the highlight mode opacity to 40 and shadow mode opacity to 30. Keep the rest of the option they are on the screen, then check color overlay. Here select a dark gray color like that, hit OK. Now press Ctrl J, then press up arrow key on the keyboard. Repeat the process until the black color is hide. Close the group. Then turn on the group 2. Inside group, select text layer. Hold shift and press down arrow key. Then single click on up arrow key. Then double click on the right side of the text layer. Check bevel and emboss. Select a stroke emboss in a style. Set the depth value to 261. Size value to 5. Angle value to 60. In gloss contour, select this one. Select linear dodge in the highlight mode. Set the opacity to 50. Select linear burn in shadow mode and set the opacity to 20. Then select stroke. Set the size value to 10. Select classic in method. Click on gradient and create a gradient something like that. Hit OK. Close the group. Save the file. Select the text layer. Press Ctrl J to duplicate and press Ctrl J to group it and name it group 3. The text spacing need to be increased further. For that, double click on the text layer thumbnail. Here select the text. Go to Properties panel. Here set the BA value to 100. Adjust the text and center line it. Then press Ctrl S to save. Now double click on the right side of the text layer. Select bevel and emboss. Keep the rest of the option as they are on the screen. Then click on a stroke. Set the size value to 14. Apply the previous gradient and keep the rest of the option as is and hit OK. Now hold shift and press down arrow key. Then press Ctrl J to duplicate and press up arrow key. Repeat the process 5 times. Close the groove. Now turn on the text layer. Hold shift and press down arrow key. Then double click on the right side of the text layer. Click on color overlay. Select a brown color something like that. Then click on drop shadow. Here select a brown color, something like that. Set the opacity value to 45, distance value to 45, size value to 15 and hit OK. Then go to filter, inside blur, select Gaussian blur. Set the radius value to 8 and hit OK. Now group the layer and name it. Then group the background layer also. Listen, for those of you who have watched the video so far, the project file download link is given in the description. Don't forget to download it. Now in the top effect group, copy a text layer and bring it to the top. Right click on it, click on clear layer style. Then set the layer fill to 0, turn off the layer and name it change text from here. To change the text, double click on this text layer thumbnail. Here change the text and press Ctrl S to save. Look, the text is changed. So that is it. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Till then, take care.